In electrochemistry chapter, to understand this whole chapter, you should know clearly about what is oxidation reaction, what is reduction reaction, and what is redox reaction. That's why only I have took this initially only. You should know clearly about all these words. See now what is oxidation reaction. Reaction in which electrons are liberated is called oxidation reaction. Example, see oxidation of zinc into Zn plus 2 ions. See in this reaction 2 electrons are liberated. So it is oxidation reaction. Actually during oxidation elements are ready to give electrons. See Zn is ready to give electrons. Zn will give 2 electrons and convert into Zn plus 2 ions. See one more example, silver, oxidation of silver, that is Ag gives Ag plus and 1 electron. See one more example, Fe gives Fe plus 2 and 2 electrons. See oxidation of iron. See here 2 electrons are liberated. See one more example, Fe gives Fe 3 plus and 3 electrons. This is ferric ion and this is ferrous ion. See 3 electrons are liberated in this reaction. See oxidation of aluminum into aluminum ions and 3 electrons are liberated. See so reaction in which electrons are liberated is called oxidation reaction, and during oxidation these elements are ready to give electrons as much as possible. See Zn element is zinc is ready to give 2 electrons, such in the oxidation reaction. Now see what is reduction reaction. Reaction in which electrons are consumed is called reduction reaction. What? Reaction in which electrons are consumed is called reduction reaction. See reduction of copper ions, Cu plus 2 electron gives copper. See copper is reduced to copper ion is reduced to copper. See 2 electrons are consumed here. So in reduction reaction this is positively charged, 2 plus positively charged, it wants electrons, so it takes 2 electrons. See positive charge is 2, so it wants 2 electrons, so it will try to consume the electron, so it will take these 2 electrons and form copper, that is stable. See this is stable element to form stability, to attain stability. In reduction reaction, see here in reduction reaction also this Zn is stable in Zn plus 2 only, stable, so only it is ready to give electrons. See now see one more example, Ag plus will consume 1 electron to give you Ag element. See here also this want 1 electron, one positively charged, so 1 electron it wanted, so it will consume 1 electron. This is reduction reaction. See Cl2 will take 2 electrons to give you 2 Cl minus ion, so it is also wanted 2 electrons, consuming 2 electrons, so reduction reaction. See one more example, Ap3 plus will take 1 electron and form Ap2 plus. See here this is 3 positively charged ion, it is taking 1 electron, so 1 positive charge is cancelled, so remaining is 2 positive charged ion is formed, that is conversion of ferric ion into ferrous ion by reduction reaction. So in reduction reaction electrons will be consumed, and during reduction reaction these ions are hungry to take electrons. These ions are hungry to take electrons. See why this Cu only copper will only undergo reduction, and why zinc will undergo oxidation. It's all depends upon their electrode potential. You will come to know about that electrode potential and electrochemical series in this chapter only in consequent videos. Just now you understand what is oxidation and what is reduction. Now what is redox reaction? Let's see now what is redox reaction. Redox reaction is nothing but the reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place is called redox reaction. See, redox, reduction and oxidation, both reduction and oxidation. The reaction in which both reduction and oxidation takes place is called redox reaction. See, your name only indicates red means reduction, oxidation. See an example. See, Zn is oxidizing into Zn plus 2 ions and 2 electrons are liberating. Why it will undergo attain stability? This Zn is stable at Zn plus 2 ion. Compared to this Cu plus, you will understand more clearly. Just understand what is redox reaction now. Cu plus 2 ions take these liberated 2 electrons, consume this liberated 2 electrons. So this is reduction reaction to form Cu, copper. See, this is oxidation reaction and this is reduction reaction. Combining both these two reactions is called reduction reaction. Combine these two. See, in these two equation, cancel 2 electrons and these 2 electrons. See, these 2 electrons on right side, these two right side of this equation. See, right side of this equation, these 2 electrons on left side of this equation. See, left side of this equation. So these 2 electrons will get cancelled now. In these 2 equations, cancel these 2 electrons. What is remained? Zn, this side, that is left side. What is remained? Zn is remained, and plus Cu2 plus is remained, and this right side, see, Zn2 plus remained and Cu is remained. So this is how we have to write during in redox reaction. See, in redox reaction both oxidation and reduction will take place. Take one more example. See, oxidation of magnesium. See, it is oxidized to Mg2 plus ion and 2 electrons are liberated, and these 2 electrons are consumed by this Ag plus ion. See, 2 Ag plus ions. One Ag plus ion possesses one positive charge. It is taking 2 electrons, means so 2 Ag plus ions required to consume 2 electrons. So 2 Ag plus 2 electrons gives 2 Ag. Now see, these 2 electrons and these 2 electrons will get cancelled. What is remain on left hand side? Mg plus 2 Ag plus is remain, Mg and 2 Ag plus, and what is remained on right hand side? Mg2 plus and 2 Ag remain. So this is oxidation and this is reduction reaction. Combining these two reactions is called redox reaction. Now more clearly, I think you understand what is oxidation and what is reduction, what is redox reaction. Oxidation is liberating electrons. See here, all electrons is liberated. Reduction is consuming electrons. See, it is consuming electrons. Redox reaction means both reduction and oxidation reaction. This is oxidation and reduction. Combining these two reactions is called redox reaction. Okay, in the next video I will explain you what is the electrochemical cell, and in that two cells are there, galvanic cell and electrolytic cell. That galvanic cell will works on this redox reaction only.